tell me your full name?
My name is Sushti Parjapati.
Wow. So, how old are you?
I am 4 years old. What is your name?
My name is Tanishka. Yes. And how are you?
I am fine.
So, which is your favorite color?
My favorite color is yellow.
Wow. Do you like to read storybooks?
Yes,
Can you tell me one story?
I want to tell you
Poem.
poem.
Okay, you can tell me poem.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky.
Wow. Wow, that's nice.
Ran, ran, go away. Come again another day. Little Johnny wants to play. Ran, ran.
Wow. Amazing.
Joni, Joni.
Johnny, Johnny, yes, Papa. Eating sugar, no, Papa. Telling lies, no, Papa. Up and your mouth, ha ha ha.
So, which is this shape? Can you tell me the shape of this thing?
Circle,
What?
circle, circle.
Yeah. Yeah. It's a round shape. You're good girl. So can you tell me?
Which country is this?
Can you tell me the which country is this?
See?
India.
Yeah, very good. It's India. In which state are you living?
UP.
UP means Uttar Pradesh. It's a short form of Uttar Pradesh. We call short form UP. Can you tell me the body parts?
Yes. Nose,
Hmm.
hand, eyes,
What is this?
lips,
What is this?
hair.
And what is this?
This cheek.
Hurry. Your cheeks are so sweet.
How cute you are looking. See, I don't mean Hindi. So can you count 1 to 10 for me?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Yes, you can tell me your daily routine.
I get up.
I get up early in the morning. I brush my teeth. I take bath
Hmm.
and I go to coaching. Play outside. I read book and I don't like drink milk.
Do you like to eat chocolates?
You
What do
like
you like?
chocolate or ice cream?
I like book.
Okay, and what do you like the flavor of the ice cream?
Chocolate.
Wow, I also like chocolate flavor of ice cream. So, khana.
Action word देखो.
Okay. Sona.
Action words. पढ़ना गाना.
Padna. 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 What?
Read.
Good. Ghana.
Sing.
Yes, good. Then Nachna.
Dance.
Good. Hasna.
Laughing.
Good. Rona.
Cry.
Rona. Yeah. Yes. Terna.
Say.
Very nice. Wow. Great. You do amazing work. I will give you word. You have to make sentence from that word. Okay?
Okay.
Beautiful.
I am beautiful.
Great. And you are beautiful. Then read.
See, it's read.
Reading.
Reading.
Okay. Ball.
I play ball.
Yeah. Book.
I read.
Okay. Then balloon.
I like so much balloon.
Then yeah, it's enough.
Where do you live?
I'm from Maharashtra district Pune. I live in Pune.
How old are you?
I am 8 years old.
Which color do you like?
My favorite colors are pink and blue.
Wow, nice.
And which is your favorite fruit?
My favorite fruit, apple and banana.
Wow. Do you like ice creams?
Yes,
That's nice. I also like ice creams. What's your favorite game?
I like kickball.
Big ball. Wow. Nice. Hello.
Good evening.
Hello.
What's your name?
My name is Tanya Kashyap.
Wow. So which is your favorite color?
Pink.
I like pink.
How old are
I
you?
like pink.
How old are you?
I am 7 years old.
And which standard are you studying?
I study in class first.
Okay. So which is your favorite subject?
My subject is favorite math.
Wow.
And
Nice. So which is your favorite game?
football.
Ball. Wow.
In front of me, the house in front of me, so that's why she came.
Okay. Nice. So can we wrap up the session?
Yes. Okay.
Okay, have a great day, ma'am. Bye. And where
Bye.
is the Srushti?
Srishti is outside. Oh, she went to play.
Okay. Bye, ma'am. Have a great day.
Bye, Tanishka.